Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Owura Sami Jamfi eye communications director de Emma NDC amanyukuo no na nnura wo friends amtwofo nhyiamu na yene no entwetwe enkomoi. Age Sami Jamfi mi mo acha no pay.
Oya bejoso.
Na boko de.
Oya me dia che.
Ami. Boko enu am ye ti so woni mo toso o.
Kame.
Why my smooth. Enu asem trofo nhyiamu a mo frɛ ye no na epono page na he ene de bokata ne de aba wo se Justice Kunsing's committee was formed to cover up the crimes committed at Edra, says NDC. South Side also, Nina, other papers in the Abba. What our conference am we and come up PF saying?
You really have that. The kind, I mean, share what you feel. I mean, more Uswa Basso, Jumasua. On one pound for Mudibua or my Ghana. Enra, yeah, some trophy shame why, yeah, no. Na Nina Fa Justice Kingsley Kumsen Committee reporter about Bonting, Efa Edra Basabasaya is between the 26th and 29th of June 2021. To say the union no abranti bia na ote edra a friend of Machu Kaka or can't fix the country movement home. Now or use the social media handles and they highlighted the ills in his society. So they pray in puntu ne insisa ama edra mine Ghana mine. Yet is the pabonephobia kotwashe so when fee. Edi konti ma bobo ni timo a yede ne ko asopiti fufi antoata wawu eno achi no yete se mabuno a ewo edwira etietua kakra ye o ye kire eno so penyufo bi suma asojafo se omunkohwe a asojafo ne duru ya mukotutututu a enam soma emranti mienu eye Mutala Mohammed ene Abdul Yusuf Nasser almost every one kwa ema ebinum pripraye nti abaya otisu yi lete abajuku made up of 3 people say more assembly na oboma mu no kremra bonten obo a omunim sansem we hu bi no ya twe wona so na justice atimi aye adwuma nti yenyina na igusu hwe animu a na committee aye adwuma wi a ode report aba. As the largest opposition party, I also had the disassembly. So committee reporting. Now, no concern is the comment. One reporting because committee no na babonte no crane mum edie no crane mum na omo cancer wo reporting. Ya tu no crowd there so am kuntumpu dia de ewo my Ghana ne because of your committee na dwuma o maye nyina no kre no maye no kataso mu aso no nsem o modi abetu dwane nyina no nsem wa sebi menua ento asomu ene adanse wo ho ebo abura yesomu enye yi nti e de enye nwa kra se kaka abusuafo a reject committee report no no mababo ntia beka se committee no eye kataso mu aso na itfremu sen no ayema 4 reasons ntia ye kanasa de dikan eye yokum kaka committee no e kan se wo rehwe mu kire se eye abusuantokwa ena ema yokum kaka na enye ne fix the country social activism na oye enema yokum no sa semwe yagitumu a enye ye because adansia ewo adansia eba committee nanim no echese Kaka nkasa te ase no. Oye video recordings ne audio recordings bebre a okan wo mu se ne social media activism or ye fix the country movement or ye and na wakutwa ball away aba se adwira ye fin otena na wakutwa traffic light a enye adwuma ana ekwan ya tutu asai emma adwira MC or mampenya Kufuor ne power no a ye frɛ no Salisu Bamba one ne bodyguards dia ye frɛ mo Ibrahim Isaka aka Anyas ene ba akoso de Alhassan Hussein mo de ne to kan kruwa mu a omo threatens when nyae de oye na omo bekum no tikakada kasa before he was murdered no ono aka sa threats we wansem e kan say bibi ato no ye misa adwira MC no kakayere Sahada Hudu ono so call committee na nimkodi adanse no nsɛm a making a na kaka di kanka ho asɛm no ɔno so kɔka de same thing yɛbisa na sɛ wofiri sɛ hwan ne kunu kono ɔsɛ mede me firi sɛ ɔmo a na ɔmo threaten me kunu ɛnam de dwuma a na ɔyɛ nti no ɔyɛ boa Ghana mpuntuo ɔmo na me firi sɛ ɔmo kum me kunu ɛkyerɛkyerɛ saa nsɛm wɔ nyinaa mu ebie kaka damfo a yɛfrɛ no abɛwa kasuma ɔkɔɔ committee n'anim no ɔno so ka the same thing because ono mu nyina nim sɛ because of saa adwuma na kaka ɛyɛ nti no na ebinom sɛ ogu ɔmampanyɛ Kufuor ɛne adwira MPP MC Salisu Bamba ni mu ase nti na ɔma threaten no na ɛnyɛ secret ɛwɔ adwira because Machu Kaka was a known MPP person nti see then saa pieces of evidence a ɛba committee na nimu nyina ɛkyerɛ threats a amanfo mmekiti a Kaka no committee no abo ni nyina agu na almost say eye abusuantokwa na enye threats no enye omo threats no ne kum no na eye abusuantokwa na ye bisa se abusuantokwa ben no boka ho ase because asemi si ye kwa adwira ye ne Kaka maame ye ne yire ye ne mma ye ne abusuafo ne wofanom nyina kuhia ye hwehwemu nyina and you can also do your checks. And to quite be anyone na ɛwɔ Kaka abusuam ana between Kaka ɛne ne nua bɛma your friend of Baba Idi okwa bia se no ne nua na tia sumdue mu a ɔdɔ wɔ wɔn dem ne nua no kra no boa Kaka na ma hwɛ ne man nti ɔkan bɛ na ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛne de yɛse ɛnyɛ MC ni bodyguards a yɛdi kan kyɛ wɔ mo no Anyas ne Alhassan Hussein ni kum Kaka na ɛyɛ ɔno ani nua a yɛfrɛ no Baba Idi ne kum no na wɔhwɛ a committee ni gyina nipa mmienu adanseɛ so ɛna ɔmo de sii sɛ gyina yɛ no baako ɛyɛ adanse a maame bi a yɛfrɛ no Sadia Hussein a ɔne Kaka te fie baako bɛdi kyerɛ committee ni sɛ ɔno te dede saa da na yɛkum Kaka na opie ba abɔnten no obi hu se Kaka nua ɛtwe na se ɛde na kɔ adwaleɛ ɛno hu se Kaka nua no ɛfrifie but esi then na committee no etimi gye saa asɛm wetu abra ɔmo nyi hwehwemu bia because ɔmo yɛ hwehwemu fa ho a maame ya danse ho a kɔmɛ hu se maame no ɔnya no kwafo maame na di adanse mienu a ni nyinaa no ɛbɔ abura enti kombewu sa dance krumu na maame ni di because asan ni di kan see e sa Sadia Hussein na a police fo di kan kototo na no because ono no see odi kan pie o ti di no no di kan pie ansa no kwa afre Kaka yere aba na dance ni first police statement o twe o kan wo mu se ohun nipa mienu e wo fie na nipa mienu na ni ball na ni mu a na o mu di mi kadwane e ohun nipa mienu ehu konti ma mienu enti se wo ka se wo di kan hu nipa mienu ni konti ma mienu na police fo gina so e de ko che MC ni bodyguards mienu no Alhassan Hussein ni Anyas dia eye de na wasesa wa no because e sa dance no na yedi kan gina so ko che first two suspects no a day after the murder ɛyɛ saa danse no na mmeranteɛ no ɛwɔ adwira de bufu yi ɔmo kɔ attack MPP office because they knew what was going on Not 2 days after, what beses our no. I be dear than the crew said, Nimia. I Nimia the cool. And then I will peer bonting the who said on the corner. Ah, who Nimia. Well, to be uncanny, Mamma, ne yereno, Kaka, and say, Mumian and the by now, one thing can be 2 days after.
Okay, FM.
Yakoche first 2 suspects, you know, and son over because I same way. Let just say, I am contumpo, and I'm a miniature. This house dance crew munusuye, you know. What to Africa come few. She say, yes, or no one can say, Sini Diane Wedra, Nabrabu Mwasa, the Shebrasasa. Oh, and the way as someone Miamata Sekaka, Abusian for spokesperson, Oka. So, yeah, point to say, this witness is not credible. And I wasn't a committee in the first police statement, no, okay, so when you pay me, you know. Because police if also confirm was a omubefa continue, you know. Now, Baba, idi Kakenuano, ne kesi at the same. What is a private chromatic here? Ono obetumi afa continue kakaka mienu baako woni banku mu na wode aboro ni ono ani nua sa akum no ada ne za banku na wode be de wo no timi dia fa sa akunti ba kakaka no
ayi na mame mu sadie bi
oh the evidence crowd police for be found a crime scene it confirms the account to say 2 people were involved
na me say question no
anza na we ba no kwame
okay
Abrantie bi di Aminu Muhammad a ose oye kaka danfo ono so kudi adanse na na danse no e ka ho bi na committee ne se e yabusuan to kwanti ikum kaka na de masa asem mu ye revenue se Muhammad no ye kum kaka na odi Ghana na oni adwira na Burkina Faso ono ana danse a oni committee ni di ye no na Burkina
I just ono approve alibi.
Yes, oni Ghana to. Abrantie no so no. Ogodi adanse no so no be in camera testimony. I just say o pesa okosha kokuam na odi na danse on pesa obi abeti bi on pesa nsentrofo beti bi on pesa beba TV so. Eje na danse okodi e no kodi no kokuam. The committee ni si okan yes wanka obi eni because na nsentrofo ene Ghana for no obi eni obi ameti bi so okodi no kokuam. Na sabrantia na oni hobi abrayekum kaka na obeka kire mo se kaka ni nua no na ntokwa wo ntem na 2020 kura kaka che ni nua ne tumu a said there wasn't a committee ni ye say ye cross examine sa witness ni kaka nua na wo de sa asem ne to ne so no baba yidi ye man lawyer for cross examine aminu no ni hu asem ni mu no kre ni etie kaka nua no so side of the story because the Odi Oterem Patem rule, they say you cannot judge a man on head. It breaches the rules of fair trial and the rules of natural justice. Untimi mwa ubi kufo abra unti na nwasem. Sana emrande siye. Inti ya den ono be kansa no. Say Kaka chini ya Baba Idi tumu, proving that Baba Idi had the motive to kill Kaka no. Man tie the side of Idi. Young cross-examine no. One Timian check even from a grab police for say I am possible your arrest this ana. Moche Baba Idi 2020 committee in engineer guess a committee chaired by a court of appeal judge. How disappointing.
Ayi what him say makonta no
clearly no me both first point in the far. Next say committee no dey yet almost say they should come and link Kaka from Fix the Country. Kaka Wono from Fix the Country. It was invented this theory of Abusian Tokwa. Say no ne kum kaka. Kata mu aso. Yonkuntumpo no mutual. It is Abusian for so man reject here. We support them because the Ukrainian semimu. Na your best sense and trouble for somebody mun say money be dia sem we achi. Mun bisa police for say Sadia Hussein, you know. First statement ben or the man police. Day and MC anybody gas and yams ni Al-Hassan Hussein a police for Kochio. Na die more than yasem no. How is that? We need to probe it. And then you can chase a man team, you know. Say they are Busian Tokwadia. So why were they arrested? They were arrested because that was the first testimony. The eyewitness led by. Now for 3 days after, kaka ni ne maame ne ni nua na wawu ne yere ne manum eti olo na ehwe omo no. Yes, say Omra police station metre na no asem. Oko police station yes say ma unku fie biem ya che wo na unku nua. Ne maame ne te ya no kula say because I say me anu omo kula na me aka. Omo ti asomdwe mu. We na nom no fo wie na we be nom ye. We kura na boama ye hwe kakamba. Na se yakum baako na masan so abeche baako dia. E dia se be so na mo pese kum. Asa na ya areho asefem. Na me di committee ni ho ya pa se gidi anaga na bo no omumu se. Ombe ma no kra wa asem ni mu aba no. Omo ye sa kata so mu. So this is our first problem with the committee report. Kwame dey to so mienu so for recommendations on demonstration na course no ne asojafo no tu omokoto to kunkum nipa no asojafo no committee ne se na omuni hu kwan se omoto to live ammunition into the crowd of those protesters. Committee no ade yensem wa na ye kana to say soldiers no use excessive force because they could have used other means. A police for no more water cannon vehicle, no more tear gas, or more rubber bullet. So I don't know if somebody in sushi and tear gas and another rubber bullet at this specific crowd. They could have done it. Why fire live ammunition into that crowd? Musifri Kelmuna and Muko Street to Satu. A police committee said, no, so that way, pure muscle. But I am pure muscle. Almost you, yeah, pride. Appropriate sanctions. Yes, and appropriate sanctions should be a debasema. Because what may be appropriate to Kwame and may not be appropriate to Isaac Owusu, and may not be appropriate to Kwabena Malfo or Sami Jemfi. A vague when you say apply appropriate sanctions. Yet say must say will be a body and will be recommended specific clear sanctions. And when he says sanctions that wasn't recommended should have been the outright dismissal and prosecution of a soldier for because the more amount to reckless disregard for human life. A murder. Say protesters here demonstration will be now we see free carbon, one to rubber bullet, one to tear gas, one to share. Was a life ammunition. Omudane ne kra no na makoto ageji atagete atutu amana ko bom yenu achi akumomo on the spot odi awudi sem say ya say o twa so
na Samuel mami musa question the mumudi tu dwai muzo constitute team mu ankasa mu independent investigation into the matter na
oh dabi say asem di see na confirm ye kwa adwira ye ne adwira man hene ye ne dagumba hene ye ne zongu ahemfo ne kaka yere kaka maame kaka nuanom ne wofanom ne nabusuanfo nyina hihia enti yakonya first hand information about all these issues ne kaka yere kasai ne maame kasai ne fiofo kasai so apart from that so the committee proceedings na so ya carry 55-page report no adanse e ba yi nyina enti yehu no kura so a e wasem ni mu as far as the committee hearings were concerned. If you are going by the committee hearings alone, you cannot say a busuantokwa.
Na me ba cho se wo ye committee
be di adanse. What about Kakaira adanse no? Omo say omo nye Kakaira adanse ni because Kakaira no amfa asem na nko police station. We asem.
Na mami mi so
threatening you kru no. Kakaira anko report to ama police station say threatening you kru. Enti no yenti na asem a all can. We asem. Na sade of say ni no asesa na no ne. Aminu Muhammad na ono yekum kaka no Burkina Faso. Or say kaka chi ni nua tum. Man verify with the police. Ye bisa na say bone be na kaka nua na ye ya kaka chi bitu o si mini. What you say? Man cross-examine no. Obi ani wo cross-examine no. Obi ani wo confront no with contrary evidence. Man verify even account no with the police. And not the mo say magic. Asem we enya na adoma na asem. O ka chi akra obesu. Na the can be so say Kwame. Asem no kwen ye nyina ye rehwe because the person should be mapa eba adwira na tena ho dada and like I said, justice adwuma, but justice ain't in adwuma unless say be man no kra ababonti na asotwe mapa akwa ma omo di saboni adenti na asojafo mu kunkum ni pay committee na ntimi ankyere the specific sanctions I am fama adenti na omo soma asojafo no so no committee no recommend any sanctions at all for them.
But ayi metie
before Kwame asojafo no enyo omo an call they were obeying orders. Simon Osemensa or Ashanti Regional Minister, 4 billion commander, and the General Office Commanding Central Command Kumasi. Omona ebe accepted responsibilities almost soma asoja for no wejra ema omo orders ema omo ye omo ye. And if you move now ayati say they have no legitimate intelligence or basis to do that deployment. In fact, committee in say the deployment of the soldiers was unnecessary and premature because a soldier for the civilians here demonstration I am free soldier a police for any friend. You only call soldiers in matters of heightened insecurity or tension, and you call soldiers as the last resort. Now say a demonstration kekenia soma soldier for the okwati biwe. And it's a penny for no more years deployment. And then no more the committee no and recommend any sanctions for them. In the regional minister no offer the money. 4 billion commander no offer the money. Say omubusuani na ya Mutala Mohammed any Abdul Yusufa. And komo beka say yem kumo mokwa na omo years deployment no so for mo huni ana. Debi we are saying, said Ashanti Regional Minister, the 4 billion commander, the General Officer Commanding Central Command Kumasia. Omo yes, wrongful deployment. Then man soldier for orders. Momo yes, sir. So also bad committee. Then him be defended. Say the soldier for year and they are correct. All those people should be dismissed. Yen yomadi. Na yen form famra kwanso. Eno nebe yen sa na ho aye disuama afofo. But chile bi no. Your mouth to me now, you be careful.
Samuel,
every time. So why? I also want to see a Katasumo so December 17th, Kunipa and also Katasumo so I don't know. I'm a Pinoko for Rabay, Nipandi Bonibia, they are born by Mran.
Okay.
Now the Yakran, the police commander now. Or no, or far water as a cannon vehicle, no call. Afusiye hwa na yesi mra na yesi kaka
101.6
committee na hu sesa de na wo ye no na ekofa demonstration ni de ni basabasa ye nyina ba ya ono so asoche be ne yemfa ma no a omo say yen transfer no ko another police station na Kwame transfer a punishment o transfer police ni in the same rank awowa to another station someone train us so because you've not demoted him, you've not dismissed him, you've not interdicted him. So if people have been reckless, we expect nothing but justice. We expect nothing but punishment. But you cannot come and say that we should just transfer somebody. Why are police for that day and transfer? Transfer is a normal administrative procedure. So that one is not disciplinary action. And finally, Kwame, what about Omwa, a soldier from Pennsylvania police from Pennsylvania, DSP Philip Kojo Hammond, a police commander, DCOP Ajimai, Deputy Regional Police Commander Ashanti, 4 billion commander, Lieutenant Martin Opukwa Duseya, or only be a soldier for any more pay, any Omo before the committee. And throw no mukodi committee na nkata report muno committee ni so be di throw and no must try so mo be kan no they have sworn an oath to speak the truth and nothing but the truth and it is a one lie under oath a offense of perjury a second degree felony enuntina former Boko MP or lie under oath about the citizenship.
Adamu Sakandi.
Adamu Sakandi had go to prison. And the committee in the report, almost say, as some more police for never can say, kaka busiafo ene ka kire on so mo fasa water cannon vehicle kaka no mo the police for the tun social on fa nko afusie bra na omusie kaka eno na yihu video bi se mrante ne edi mika di akire omototo abo a police committee ni so mo yehwehwemu no kaka busiafo anya request bi asa police for the drop committee ni so mo yehwehwemu mo hu se asem was busiafo ne be kan se omo call edwira no omo di kan de omo no ekobom mrante ne kokko omo verbal warnings na omo antie no ansa na omo ma warning shots na warning shot ne tiri no omo hu se mrante ne bi a omo demonstration no omo tutu bo asojafo no omo so tutu na omo hu ye ni mpu no demonstrators na omo tutu na bi na tutu bo sa asem we committee no hwehwe mu nyina hu se number 1 omo amma verbal warnings bia omo si free card mu na omo sa so omo tutu. Number 2, demonstrated the anyone no kita tu obi aso antutu am soja bia na ye soja fo no tu ne kum omo ya no hanse mo nyina soja fo mpanyifo e wo so mo ka no kra brigadier generals lieutenants ne colonels abedi tro
question obi bebu sa me say what are you about to
they should get away with their pay. Are they endorsing the lies? Why did they
me about me bo me ba mamusa question. Why would they lie?
Why would they lie? The committee said they lie. They lie because obi odi ewubi and odi try to cover na wudi na wadi. Say yakwa akoto tutu video no wa me hu bi. No ever go video na. Asoja for ni sifi pick up mu and they started firing. Say hu bi.
Ma me hu bi.
Hu picture na asoja ni wabu nkotodwa wa pointing it to they said you oku motwen otutu abonipa. When they caught dispersing demonstrators by shooting directly into the crowd.
Okay, FM.
When yes,
okay.
Our community is saying once a month by investigating about TV, so they cannot come and admit. So they will lie. It was the demonstrators who were rather firing. That is why they are lying. Because of what you bonnet, and they want to get away with it, so they will lie. Say, demonstrators need to, but committee no share videos ni nyina city for video joy for they saw say demonstrator be anyone okita tu na bi no kita ba ne bo that was all obi anyone okita tu obi anyone tutu mo na rather mo see mo ni o man kasa kra na mo start say fire warning shot and now mo dwane o they were retreating and mo dwane ni nyina no they were pointing at them targeting them and shooting so Jenny Ben your training us or because this specific crowd like that. Meaning that they had orders to go and kill people. And that's what they did. What you say? We need specific sanctions for those soldiers. They must be dismissed and they must be prosecuted because what they have done constitutes murder. From the Ashanti regional minister to the 4 billion commander to the general officer commanding Brigadier General Apo, they should also be dismissed and prosecuted. Because the soldiers on the ground were only following their orders. Police commander now, also they should also be dismissed. Or more lie under oath, they should be prosecuted for perjury. And yes, idea. And we are creating a situation here. Obi timi diemu, no afane mwedi. Sana ya waso esi here. Nobody has been prosecuted. Nobody has been punished. 7 December 2020, year to Abakeke. Nipa watching, son, a soldier for no ekunkumomo because they have certain people vigilante for soldier for and because they are not trained professional soldiers, they just behave anyhow, they kill people and they get away with it. And then Ayobio, Ayamutala, Mohammed, and Abdul Nasir Yusuf. Otsina ebetunyaye kwame nkrumati kesi na Sami Jemfiana Isaac Owusu. So at the end, let's condemn it. Now we are saying committee, we call sanctions, Papa Mra. Where would you now? You didn't recommend any sanctions. I just say and that is why we are saying, say, crime has no expiry date. Say, and then I be on before Muhuedu. My intention was no credit to say, say, won't me fancy. Yet they are no credit be I'm a movie akoso. I'm a bind be best. I'm or more answer for Africa same way or my gene. Men can be bring to us so the other Kenyan.
Martin Medas a pa no pay.
Those as the part.
Yes, I say Sammy Javier communication officer at the Emma NC Amayukuna and no action coming okay 101.7 so in the
Okay FM. Okay. 101.7.